Arduino. The Arduino Uno controls the entire system by reading the soil moisture level and turning the water pump on or off automatically. Soil moisture sensor. This sensor measures how wet or dry the soil is and sends the data to the Arduino. Water pump, mini submersible pump. The pump waters the plant by transferring water from a container through the tubing when the soil is dry. Relay module. The relay works as an electronic switch that allows the Arduino to safely control the water pump. The power supply provides electrical energy to the system. It powers all the components like the Arduino, sensors, relay, and pump. In this project, a 12 volts battery is used as the power supply. 12 volts battery. The 12 volts battery provides power to the whole system, ensuring the Arduino, relay, and pump can operate properly even without a direct electrical outlet. Breadboard. The breadboard is used to connect electronic components without soldering, making it easy to build and modify the circuit.
Here's a short explanation of the flowchart. This flowchart shows how automatic plant watering system works. It first reads the soil moisture level. If the moisture is below the set threshold, the relay activates the water pumps and waters the plant until the desired moisture is reached. Then the pump turn off. If the soil moisture is not too dry, the system simply waits for a set interval before checking again.